What is this? You can tell me what is this? What's this? Look at this. That's it. Red gun. Yeah, look at here. Wow. It looks like a spider web something, but whatever it is, nested it upon the strings of the weeds of the field. Yeah, this is bird seed, and there's another. Let's see how this one looks now. If it's the same. Okay, come on. We don't want to move it too wild to throw it down, but to hold it gentle, like that. Like that. What's it? What's that there? What's that there? What's that there? What's that? Oh, they're taking me in, but I'm not studying them. They are nice. That's all. Yeah, so look at this unique coating. It seems as if it's a lemon skin. It looks like a lemon skin, but I'm certain it's not a lemon skin. I'm certain it's not a lemon skin. Look at it. Ah, it's nice. It's a beautiful day. Connecting with nature. Look at that. Look at that. Look how beautiful. Look at that. You know that is actually eggs in there, right? Hatching, right? So you know what? We should just leave it alone and pray for it to come into existence. Yeah. That's it there. That's it there. Yeah, look at it there. Look at it. Wow. Oh my gosh. And look at the bird seed. Look at the bird seed. Look at the seed the bird eats. Look at it. Wow. They look juicy. Even the green ones. They look nice. That's all for today, folks. Bye. 1 and 2.